Hi, my name is Quentin Barriol. I'm the COO of ProductFlo, and today I'm going to tell you about how you can use ProductFlo best for yourself and for your teams. So I'm going to jump right in. What you can see on my screen right now is the ProductFlo dashboard. I got there by getting to the ProductFlo website and then clicking sign up, log in, or clicking go to my dashboard. Now, before we jump in, let's talk about what ProductFlo does. ProductFlo has been designed to enable engineers and startups to develop products 3 times faster at 1/10 of the price, and that's what our team lives by. So when you go into ProductFlo, everything has been optimized for your product development to be accelerated, optimized, and for you to be able to do the things that you like doing the most. Once you get to your first view of ProductFlo, you won't be seeing all the different products like I have. These can be toggled in and out depending on whether you want to see all the projects that you're working on. But what's more important is this dashboard over here. That's going to highlight all the different tasks that you have lying ahead, how your products are doing, and more importantly, how you collaborate with other teams. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new product here. I'm going to call this the Smart Light Switch. In this case, I'm going to put a little description of what my Smart Light product does. I noticed that I have smart home products like light bulbs and light switches, but for me to activate them, I have to use my voice. And since I have a small child, it's quite difficult for me to turn those lights on and off as the child is sleeping and I might wake him up. So I'm gonna create this product. I save this product and all of a sudden you're gonna see my 3rd version of the Smart Light Switch pops up. I can click onto that version and see H as well as my technical viewer. So let's walk through what both of those do. If you're a product developer or product owner, you've often noticed that it gets difficult for you to share files, see the files, preview them, and get to the right one. And also, documentation gets pretty complicated. So let's mimic us creating a product for the first time. I've just created my product within ProductFlo, and now I can use H to start my documentation. Creating the documentation can be difficult through PRDs, BOMs, and all the different assets that are necessary for me to be on the right path. Because in hardware development, mistakes early on can be costly in the future. So we want to minimize them, and that's why we've created H, which is a custom AI assistant that only reads your files and only keeps them for itself so that you can keep going in your product development faster and faster so you get closer to the 3 times faster product development ProductFlo offers. So I can ask H anything that I want and have a full conversation as my product assistant. I can also enter some files. Right here, I can connect Google Drive, which can read all my files and also see the files that I have in there. Say for example that you've created a 3D model. It comes in a CAD software and it's difficult for you to open the file without having to open the whole entire 3D modeling software. Thanks to ProductFlo, you can see the file directly from a single view. Once you've done so, if you want H to see that file more in depth, you can upload that specific asset to the ProductFlo cloud. You can also preview all the files that you're thinking about. In this case, I have a teapot. So again, without having to open my 3D modeling software, I can see the teapot and interact with it right there and then. The same thing goes for my PCB designs. In this case, I've uploaded a file that's a placeholder, and I can go down to the layers and see everything that's going on with my design. I can take some notes, and soon you'll be able to enter your code as well as do all your task management native to ProductFlo. Lastly, before I let you dive into your own ProductFlo, let's talk about some of the add-ons that are available on the platform. There's networks and templates. Network is a list of vetted, product-focused individuals that are experts at what they do. They're vetted by our systems to make sure that you get the best help you can, reach the best parts, the best talent, and the best support so you keep moving towards a best-in-class product. Lastly, we have the templates. If you don't want H to create its own documentation for you, you can also create your documentation from our templates. This allows you to never miss a step along the way and create those products you've always dreamed of. So that's a little overview of ProductFlo. If you want to learn more or get right into it, you can click any of the buttons on our website that will take you to a sign up page where you can start working on our platform. Otherwise, feel free to reach out to us at hello@productflo.io to get more information or find a solution that is custom built for you.